We're here today at Cambridge Medical Center where we're going to be core drilling a hole in the operating recovery room. As you all know, drilling above ductwork can be a very difficult task to keep messes down and control your slurry. And today we're going to introduce to you the Corebox. Absolute easy way, fast setup for slurry and core containment, especially in tight situations. This thing works marvelous. As soon as my guy gets off the ladder, we'll take a picture of where we're going to be catching this core. An added feature is we're enlarging a hole that's already in place, so you know how bad the water can be on these kind of things. There's the ductwork that we have to work above. And we're zooming in on the hole. Try to get a 5-gallon bucket in there and have your man hold it up. This is the Corebox. It's a product we came up with for catching cores and diverting the slurry to down below, so you don't have a guy stand on a ladder and with a 5-gallon pail and try and catch a core. So today we're going to show you how it works, and hopefully it can be of use to you and your company. And it's we feel a labor saving device that keeps your guy on a drill instead of standing on a ladder with a bucket. And that was the setup time. We're just here to show the setup. If you look there, that's perfect. Right there. And when you work in environments that are busy, this is what you would have out in the environment, or you could use any kind of bucket that you'd like to. You don't have a guy standing above the ceiling with a ladder, on a ladder, while people are trying to work and go around. shows the slug being retained in the Corebox. That we can lift out from above. There's the enlargement that we took out. And as you can see, just a slight little bit of slurry in the box. Let's see if I can zoom her in. Hey, you gotta get... Oh yeah, I see her right there. There's the hole. As you can see, messes are minimal. All the mess is contained in the Corebox. And all the slurry down into our container. Shine your light in here once. And that's the way it works.
We'll go up and we'll show the top of the ductwork that it's dry.